should weave a spell of cultural pride and resilience. The performance is a testament to her creativity, her confidence, and her commitment to her heritage. With each stanza, Miss Talita Fainga'a's poem should be conveying the urgency and passion of her message. The poem's theme of identity, cultural preservation, and empowerment resonate deeply, making it a compelling and memorable performance. Her talent shines through her ability to articulate the hopes and the aspirations of our Tongan youth, inspiring them to celebrate their unique perspectives and cultural heritage. Si ito tupu o Tonga, ko hai koa ki taua. O pehe ai muna muna a Talita Fainga'a, ka koe miscurrent of love charity me he lolo a halai valu ki to tupu o e whonua. Ke tau nofo nofo pe a wakavakai, pe ko tau kei tauhi koa ho tau Tonga. Isa, ai tupu whaaholo o ko tau wiki, pe kua mōri atu ia pe lau manifi. Isa, o ko lea aki e Talita i ene ki i mauni, ai whakatokanga ki e hako tupu e whonua ke tau tuu mālohi i hono whakatokangai, o hono matatari e peau o e liliu, kone kapu ho tau ngahi mataawhanga, te we sia e whanau i kai ki i loi ho nau tōnga, mai tala o e whonua, ka koho tau pore pore anga. Ofa atu, Talita Fainga'a, ka koe Miss Current of Love Charity, me Vava'u lahi.
Tupu o Tonga, koe koa ki taua. In the kingdom of Tonga, where the sun meets the sea, a new generation rise with dreams yet to be free. We're a gap between tradition and modernity sway, storm between our culture and the world display. We are searching for our identity, our place in the world, trying to balance our heritage with the modern twirl. We are the youth of Tonga, with hearts full of fire, determined to make our mark, to reach our highest desire. Si o ta'afa o ta Tonga o kuviki, i e hopa o e la'a mai potutahi. Ka kungali au hia, pia tu'uwhihi, ho ta Tonga, ko wha'au ke manifi. We are not just the future, we are the present too, with stories to tell and dreams to pursue. We are the keepers of our culture, our language, our pride. But we are also global citizens with a world to explore inside. Ko toa kakapu, ia iloi kita, ata nenefu, ana whakainga. Ko tupu o Tonga, koe koa kita ua, e ngai kau peau, oi hala whanonga. We are facing challenges, from substance abuse to identity crisis. But we are resilient, we are strong, and we are full of promise. We are the youth of Tonga, and we are ready to shine with our talents, our passions, and our hearts that align. Tua ke taka fataha. Iono te kaya ngai aho kokona. Taunga aki e whai ka veko la. Keilo ai. Waie. Kai tau tupa taua otonga. Si ota o whātu.
Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 6, Miss Current of Love Charity Vava'u, Miss Talita, Fainga'a.